I will never stop chanting uncontrollably all of eternity. I am just naturally spitting this off the top of me. I am tripping on psychedelics. I am tripping on methamphetamines, amphibian, reptiles. I am tripping on amphetamines and reptiles. Snake-a-la-bop, boa constrictor, anaconda, Pikachu, Exodia, Blue Eyes White Dragon, Exodia Yu-Gi-Oh, the Blue Eyes Pegasus Piccolo, Super Saiyan in syllables. Somebody attempted to assassinate Donald Trump, and he shaved Mr. McMahon's head bald at WrestleMania. But Donald Trump stole my idea for the "you're fired" catchphrases, Mr. McMahon. Kiss it, I said. Kiss my billionaire ass. Kiss my billionaire asses, Mr. McMahon. My doughy white alabaster keister ass. My billionaire ass. Kiss it, Mr. McMahon says. Boy, you are whack. Spitting the rap. You will never-endingly syllable heart attack. I am having a syllable heart attack. Never-ending spitting my rap. What, there must be something wrong with my head. How can you truly escape your own head? You can't, I said. You can never truly escape your own head. I have nothing more to say, Michael Myers said. I am sitting in the corner of the room in the insane asylum in a trance, rocking heavenly back and forth. We gotta shoot 'em up with another shot of Forzine. Night, night, crazy guy. Goose fraba. That shit doesn't work. Spitting again. But the but. Spitting never ending in a trance. You gotta dunk that shit. You gotta dunk that shit. Anger management. Hole in one in your mama's butt, says Happy Gilmore. Give me water, boy. I got a wooden spoon. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. Water sucks. Even though he was very rude to me, my favorite wrestler is still Captain Insano. That was the Big Show, yo. Spitting again. Spitting never ending. I am hallucinating in a trance, I said. Hallucinate in infinite rhymes. Fuck it, man. I think I can. I just may lay down by the bay. 51st dates. I forgot what I said last night. I forget every night because I black out again. Then you see that sparkling bottle of booze? It's like a genie lamp begging me to rub you. It's begging me to rub you. That almighty genie lamp. It's like a fairy godparent, David. It is special, like a lucky charm. When the walls come crumbling, fumbling, tumbling, rumbling down, your addictions were always the only ones around. When you see that bottle of booze sparkling at you, it is whispering, tempting you. That beautiful bottle of natty daddy. Just pick me up, David. Pour another natty daddy over ice. Drink a lot of Fort Locos tonight. Viva la raza, Fort Locos tonight. Earthquakes and natty daddies over ice. I'm gonna start mixing earthquakes with natty daddies over ice. I'm gonna keep spitting in rhymes. Mesmerize all your old lyrics and rhymes. There must be something wrong with my head. Can't stop spitting rap again. Somebody tried to assassinate our possible future president, Donald Trump, I said. What? Spitting and rap. Well, it doesn't matter what you said, says The Rock. Know your role and shut your mouth. John Cena wore a fake dick in the movie Trainwreck. Spitting a bat. Spitting a syllables. Frog splash, man. RVD and Eddie Guerrero frog splashing syllables, yo. 619. Booyaka, booyaka. Rey Mysterio is a Hall of Famer. Battles with Dominic Mysterio, Dirty Dom. Finn Balor spitting a rap. Judgment Day, man. Faction the Shield. NWO. Degeneration X. Spitting a rap. Never ending, I said. My next 30-minute typewriter, man. 30-minute typewriter. A mosquito. Dracula mosquito. Geronimo. Infinite blow. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. abomination, abominable snowman. Frosty, the snowman, was a very merry soul. Watch him spit your soul whole. Out of the corn comes Frosty, the snowman comes out of the corn, spitting to the splinters and thorns. Only thorns and splinters. There's venom in my veins. It's okay to cry out from the rules that are driving me enslaved. Inexorable that I'm growing more popular. It's inexorable that I keep growing more popular. I'll keep spitting, bet your bottom dollar. Never endingly. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. Silver and gold. All that I want is my two front teeth for Christmas. All I want for Christmas is my two front teeth. My two front teeth spitting to thee. Never endingly. I forgot what I said last night. I blacked out too many natty daddies over ice. For Loco, Viva la Raza, spitting yo. Kiss my billionaire ass, says Mr. McMahon. I got balls the size of grapefruit, says Mr. McMahon. Your grapefruits have nothing on my Trump Tower, says Donald Trump to Mr. McMahon. Stone Cold Steve Austin giving the finger to Mike Tyson again. A boxer versus wrestler match between Brock Lesnar and Mike Tyson. Who would win that? Spitting a yak. That is actually a toss-up, man. Brock Lesnar at his peak could bench press 655 pounds. That's over 150 pounds more than Arnold Schwarzenegger could bench in his prime. Arnold Schwarzenegger at his best could bench press 500. Brock Lesnar could bench press 655 at his peak. That's his personal best. Spitting a chant and rap. Can't stop rhyming, rapping again. Must be something wrong with my head. Syllable bash. Elmer Fudd says, shh, be very, very quiet. I'm hunting syllable rabbits. Spitting syllable chanting, never ending again. Must be something wrong with my head. Chanting syllables. Tongue twister, yo. Never endingly. Spitting a serial killer. I'm a serial murderer. Hot and murdering material on top of my cereal box, on top of my stereo. Yo, kamikaze. Strapping a motherfucking bomb across me. Jumping on Sesame Street. Oscar the Grouch for a Cookie Monster, yo. So tickle me, Elmo. Spitting a low. You can save 15% or more on car insurance by switching to Geico. State Farm, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Like a Bosch, spitting again. Never endingly. I can randomly. I am evil like the old cigarette commercials. I am evil like a beer commercial tempting you, whispering to you. You know you want to rub me, says the bottle of booze. Rub me, I'm a beautiful genie lamp, says the bottle of booze. Pick me up, rub me, guzzle me. Pick me up, rub me, guzzle me, says the sparkling bottle of booze. Firecracker, grand finale. Spitting Sally, alley cat. Spitting that fat lazy cat. Garfield likes lasagna but hates Monday. Heathcliff, no one should battle over the 100-acre wood. Heathcliff and Garfield battle out over the block. But guess what day it is? It is hump day Wednesday, says the camel again. But the bus spitting again. Giggity, giggity, gig, alright, never ending. George Jetson, Fred Flintstone, yabba dabba doo. Spitting the igloo syllable, yo. Syllable mummifying hieroglyphics. I am mummifying hieroglyphics. Immigration, annihilation, determination. I can never stop spitting the syllable attempt of assassination towards Donald Trump. I am speaking of it random again. Celebrity deathmatch between Joe Biden and Donald Trump, man. Here comes Barack Obama spitting a fatality syllables. Mortal Kombat, Spock entity, Jedi mind tricks of infinite rhymes. I got a bigger wand, yo. But it's not the size of the wand that counts, it's the magic within one. But the butt, hickory dickory dock. I shout and I pout. running my mouth. I'll keep on syllable slaying for all of eternity. The syllable trampoline. I'll get them fucking bullets jumping like a trampoline. I can capture the rage. Today's youth and bottle it. Crush the glass of it in my bare hands and swallow it. I'll bend over and take it like a slut. Okay, Mom? Bitch, you don't want to fuck with me. Girls need to be nothing but a slut to me. I don't rap to get to women. Fuck bitches. Give me a fat slut that cooks and does dishes. John Cena wore a fake dick in the movie Trainwreck. I felt I should repeat it. He ain't really fug life. He grew up on the mean streets of West Newbury, Massachusetts. I have legit street credit. Lived in the streets of New York City, man. Now John Cena's a franchise. He's a New York Yankees. Nicky Bella left your ass. Spitting infinite raps. Syllables suffering succotash. Mojo Jojo, Blossom Butters Buttercup. Blossom Mojo Jojo. Spitting Kuna Matata. Tater Totters, Teeter Totters. UFO, extraterrestrial. The more you put me through, the more it makes me want to come. Nobody comes. Nobody calls me Chicken Needle. Candyman, 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 Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Nobody calls me Chicken Needle. Spitting again. Rick and Morty, Back to the Future Time Machine again. I'm spitting never ending, I said. I'm spitting never ending, I said. In a syllable trance. B Rabbit is hopping down New York City Sesame Street. B Rabbit is hopping down New York City Sesame Street. Some days I just want to give up and just call it quits. Feel like I'm surrounded by a wall of bricks. Ooh yeah, so meaty. It's savage, savage Slim Jims. Jack Link's beef jerky. Spitting again. Syllable bash. I'm eating syllables like venison, I said. I really like moose meat, says Brock Lesnar. Knocked out Randy Couture, won the UFC world title in his third MMA fight. Spitting again, his third UFC fight, fourth MMA fight. Brock Lesnar won the UFC world title. Paul Heyman, man, the beast incarnate. Here comes the pain, the next big thing. F5 in syllables, I can't complain. I have a very simplistic life. All I have to do is sit on my ass and keep spitting them rhymes. Don't you hear me whispering to you? This is the beautiful sparkling bottle of booze. I am like a genie lamp speaking to you. Rub me, David. Pick me up, I am tempting you. I am evil like a beer commercial. I am sparkling at you. This is the beautiful bottle of booze. I blacked out last night and said something inappropriate with my rhymes. Sometimes I go a little bit crazy with my rhymes. Sometimes I say things I shouldn't with my rhymes. Sometimes I go crazy spitting, never ending. Mandark, maniacally. Dexter's laboratory. Dee Dee, get out of my laboratory. Stop pressing the buttons. Mandark laughing maniacally. Mwahaha. Mwahaha. Spit in syllable trance. Mandark versus Dexter. Johnny Bravo. Hoo. Spit in syllable chant. Never stop spitting syllables in a trance, man. It's my next 30-minute typewriter, man. Keep spitting syllables. Frito-Lay. Down by the bay. You know that. Spit in syllables all night and all day. I just may fall on my face from drinking too many earthquakes. I'm gonna fall on my face from drinking too many earthquakes, man. Ooh yeah, so meaty it's savage. Savage Slim Jims, monster-sized Slim Jims. I am Sully from Monsters Incorporated. Randall, the chameleon, spitting again. I am like a lizard spitting the viper Randy Orton. RKO in syllables again. Syllable plow. I gave the pedigree to syllable chow. Syllable plow. Igloo syllables. I eat Chinese food. Hey, where's my cat? Walked into this Chinese food, says, where's my cat? Where's my cat, ma'am? I know you took that cat, but Chinese food restaurant abducts stray cats. It wasn't a stray cat, that was my cat, ma'am. Give my cat back. I am complaining to the Chinese food restaurant. Tonight I'm having Korean, eating all of these stray cats. Stop barking at me, I told that damn dog. Now I am having Korean tonight. It's that damn neighbor's dog that wanna stop barking all night. Having Korean tonight, spitting infinite rhymes. I have a long list of haters that surround the block, but I don't give a fuck. Man ass suck my cock. Won't see my middle finger? Oh, it's upside down. Let me turn this motherfucker up right now. Turn that frown upside down. I'm unicycling across orange quicksand, can't you see? Macho Man Randy Savage, Rowdy Roddy Piper, the ultimate warrior, Goldberg, jackhammer, and syllable chow, syllable plow. I'm gonna speak about the assassination attempt on Donald Trump. Plow, you miss bitch, said Tom McDonald, spitting again. Kamala Harris stepped in because Joe Biden stepped down, spitting I said, never ending again, syllable pow. Ami pop, Magneto is levitate and metalless syllables, vigilante twisted metal, vigilante twisted metal. I am origami, salami, karate, baloney. So, but I'll get you, my pretty, and your little doggy too. I'll turn your 101, 102 Dalmatians into a fur coat, says Corella DeVille. I'm a street performer, a con artist. Goes to the city randomly to let my checks build up upstate. Spitting again. I will desecrate your mother's grave, I said. Spitting again. We are the champions, my friends. We'll keep on fighting until the end. We are the champions, my friend. Spitting, never ending again. Kiss my billionaire ass, Mr. McMahon says. You know you want to join the Royal Club. Kiss of my ass club, says Mr. McMahon. It's a billionaire alabaster keister ass, says Mr. McMahon. You know a croc just went to the bathroom. DX impersonating the nation. Spitting again. That Confucius says you go to bed with itchy butthole, you're gonna wake up with smelly, sticky fingers. Showing off is a fool's idea of glory, said Bruce Lee. You want your children to be brilliant? Read them fairy tales. Want your children to be more brilliant? Read them more fairy tales. Imagination is more important than knowledge. You can't explain it simply. You don't understand it fully yourself. Spitting a rhyme and an infinite rap collection. I have an infinite rhyme and rap collection to my syllable abduction. I have an infinite rhyming collection to my syllable abduction. Adolescent. At least Donald Trump will keep them illegal immigrants out from crossing the borders. At least Donald Trump will stop illegal immigrants from stealing our money and our benefits to the American people. We should keep those illegal immigrants out of here. Joe Biden's actually the reason for the fentanyl epidemic, letting illegal immigrants cross the border because he gets a slice of the pie, spitting infinite rhymes. Joe Biden was one of the biggest drug dealers in the world, yo. Then they said Donald Trump should have been locked up. Spitting again. That's what man says my limo's bigger than Donald Trump. Spitting, take a dump. I'm taking a crap. Syllable rap. This is my prison cell. You are my prison rape, bitch. I'll fudge pack in your shit. I'll trade your ass for a pack of cigarettes if I see fit. Jeffrey Dahmer got killed in prison by a dumbbell, like one of his first victims. The irony. Spitting again. Syllable chow. Syllable wow. Spitting syllable chow. A never-ending freestyle story. It's a never-ending story. I like chickens, Eddie. Hustling. I'm a con artist of the cul-de-sac, man. I'm a con artist. The Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. But the buck will be my slave forever, Slappy says. Spitting of raps. Slappy versus Chucky, man. Who would win that? It's Chucky versus Leprechaun. Spitting again. Chucky versus Pennywise. Freddy Krueger versus Jason Voorhees. Nightmare on Elm Street, Camp Crystal Lake. Jason is being revived from the pet cemetery. Lightning is striking the pet cemetery, reviving Jason again. Jason is coming through the children of the cornfield. Rose Red is my favorite haunted house movie by Stephen King. Rose Red is my favorite haunted house movie, spitting infinitely. Syllable me, syllable Frito-Lay. Matilda from Darkness Falls versus the Jekyll from 13 Ghosts. Mortal Kombat, fatality, casualties to syllables, man. Syllable plow. Grand Theft Auto 5. I thrive to spit infinite rhymes. It hit the floor, hit the floor. Next thing you know, your mama's going low, 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 low. Catch me rolling. All these haters be hating, but they just be hating because they can never catch me rolling, riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. All these haters be hating, trying to catch me riding dirty. I'm rapping dirty. I must be rapping dirty. Using too much toilet paper on my derriere. Spitting unfair. Life just isn't fair. Can never express to you just how much I care. You are unaware. I am pulling down your mama's underwear. But the buff, spillable, Frito again, man. Syllable 51st dates. Her memory erases every time she sleeps. Spitting again. Syllable Frito-Lay. I got the remote that controls my universe from the movie Click. Infinite rap again. Never stop running my trap. Syllable Zilla. I am a syllable cannibal. Hannibal Lecter. Chainsaw of massacre. You're too crazy to grant parole. Incompetent for court. Take his ass to the loony bin. I am being taken away out of court. I am incompetent for court. Your ass is just too crazy to grant parole. Spitting again, never endingly. Syllable chant. That's what the judge said to Charles Manson. Your ass is just too crazy to grant parole. Spitting again, never ending. Syllable bash. There's a world inside of this cell, man. A world of imagination. I am levitating. Telekinesis. Telekinesis. Mewtwo's telekinesis. Blast off at the speed of light. Surrender now or prepare to flight. Meow, that's right, he must be a robot. Spitting again. Syllable chow. I am the infinite 30-minute content rap god. My infinite syllable encyclopedia. I have an infinite syllable encyclopedia. Infinia. Egyptians had help from the aliens to build the pyramids. Extraterrestrial. Delightfully, with a brevity amount of time, a cognizant knowledge of infinite rhymes. I am pondering upon all, weak and wearily, from pondering dreary, the dewy ember, light of December. I'm spitting again. Frito-Lay, that damn Sandman entity needs to stay away from me. It is irritating and sleeping. That damn Sandman entity. I wish everybody didn't need to sleep anymore. I wish I could recuperate while I was awake. A teleporter like the movie Jumper. Teleporting. I am Magneto is levitating syllable hypnosis. X-Men versus the Avengers versus the Justice League. Spitting again. Superman from Metropolis. My rhyme invincibility has been shattered by kryptonite. My rhyme invincibility has been shattered by kryptonite. All these syllables are invisible. All these syllables are invisible. Mr. Fantastic. Fantastic Four. I am the Human Torch. The Thing and the Hawk are partners in syllable. Deadpool and Wolverine mutate in syllables. I am syllable overflow. Syllable overdose. Syllable overflow, a syllable overdose. I gotta keep going for 30 minutes, yo. Spitting the overflow. Nutty, your dog really likes peanut butter. Rub it on my nuts and the dog licks it off. I'll cut off this chicken's head. You're not planning on butt fucking these chickens, are ya? You calling me a chicken fucker? Spitting again. Rapping a syllable chant. Syllable plant. Photosynthesis. Polytechnic, Allosaurus, Brachiosaurus, Galaxy, Milky Way. I am riding a T-Rex across the Milky Way. My time machine, butterfly effect. My infinite rhymes. Never stop, consider my rhymes like a beautiful butterfly fluttering across the blue sky with sunshine, or like the moth fluttering across the harvest moonlight of the night. Spitting, I am a beautiful angel of light. I wrote the book of life. I cured leprosy, healed the blind, turned water into wine. Telepathically from me, this is Elvis, Michael Jackson, John Lennon, Jesus Christ, spitting infinite rhymes. G-Eazy possesses simplicity of his lyrical capabilities. Doesn't use as many multiple syllable words as me. I can spit infinite multiple syllable words. Syllable Sharknado, syllable Frito, Dorito, Pringles, Coca-Cola, Red Bull, Monster. A monster underneath my bed. Monsters Incorporated. Fish are friends, not food, they said in Finding Nemo. Marlin, he's a clownfish. Spitting again. Dory has short-term memory loss. Spitting a boss, a hoss. Syllable chocolate man. Boompa, boompa, boompa-dee, boom. Blueberry pie is specially for you. Barack likes poontang pie. What the walrus Paul Heyman, yo? Nobody can be as bad as Brock Lesnar's promoted by Paul Heyman, man. The baddest man in MMA history says Paul Heyman is Brock Lesnar. I am the internet god. I am puking up lyric. This sickening existence. Your sickening existence pisses me off. I am puking again, thinking of your sickening existence. The more you put me through, the more it makes me want to come back to you. Rugrats, Mirrorland, everything is backwards, forwards, spitting the elevator, lacerator, commentator. My phone won't stop buffering, loading, computing, calculating. That does not compute. That does not calculate. My rhyme calculator, computer. My phone won't stop buffering, loading. Slow, slow is the way you go, right, my phone? I ate, and I got sick on the floor. 8 times 8 equals 64. Puking up lyrics forevermore. What just flew in from the Polonian shore? Jason is being revived. The pet cemetery at Camp Crystal Lake. Jason versus Carrie. Spitting levitating syllable. I am a syllable. Captain Crunch. A Cookie Crisp. Frosted Flakes. They're great. Spitting again. Like a good neighbor. State Farm is there. That is ludicrous. Who says what is ludicrous? Lil Wayne's performance at WrestleMania 40 was poor, yo. And I disagree. He is not the greatest rapper ever. Lil Wayne even admits that Eminem is better than him. Spitting syllable rap, syllable chap, syllable frap. Frappy, yo. You can download our consciousness in the robot vessels. What if dungeons, aliens, demons, dragons, Martians, the ice cream man, Frito-Lay. Come with me to the boiler room, says Freddy Krueger. I got some delicious candy for you. Come here with me to the boiler room, says Freddy Krueger. I got some delicious candy. I'm the ice cream man. The dentist caught his wife cheating on him, and then he went crazy, man. Spitting again. Celine from Underworld versus Alice from Resident Evil. Silent Hill! Silent Hill! Revelation, revivalation. Who is innocent? What is innocent? Who is innocent? What is innocent? Who is innocent in the world is debatable. I am inflatable. You want to battle? I'm available. My 30-minute typewriter 6, yo. Land before time. Petrie, Ducky, Littlefoot, spitting chomper. Again, syllable rapper. I'm an infinite syllable rapper. I'll end this chapter. I'm the infinite syllable rapper by 30-minute typewriter 6.